Welcome to our deep dive into the world's first triple folding smartphone. In this video, we'll explore the groundbreaking features and innovations that set this device apart from anything we've seen before. From its unique design to its multifunctional capabilities, this smartphone is not just a gadget. It's a game changer in the tech world. Join us as we discuss the significance of this advancement and what it means for the future of mobile technology. Get ready to be amazed by what's possible. Design and build quality. The triple folding smartphone boasts an impressive design that combines durability with aesthetic appeal. Constructed from premium materials like aerospace-grade aluminum and Gorilla Glass, it ensures both strength and elegance. The innovative folding mechanism allows the device to transform seamlessly, enhancing portability while maintaining a generous screen size for an immersive experience. Available in a range of striking color options, this smartphone's design philosophy emphasizes versatility and modernity, setting it apart from traditional devices. It's not just a phone, it's a statement piece in the world of technology. Display technology. The triple folding smartphone features a stunning display with a resolution of 3,200 by 1,440 pixels, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. With a peak brightness of 1,200 nits, it ensures excellent visibility even in bright environments. The advanced OLED technology enhances color accuracy and contrast, providing an immersive viewing experience. The unique folding feature allows users to enjoy a larger screen area without sacrificing portability, making it perfect for streaming and gaming. Additionally, the flexible screen technology ensures durability while maintaining exceptional visual performance, setting a new standard in mobile displays. Performance and specifications. The triple folding smartphone is powered by a cutting-edge octa-core processor paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. With storage options ranging from 256 gigabytes to 1 terabyte, users can easily manage their apps, photos, and videos without worry. These specifications not only enhance overall performance, but also allow for smooth transitions between tasks, making it ideal for power users. When compared to leading smartphones in the market, this device stands out with its superior processing capabilities and generous storage, solidifying its competitive edge. Camera capabilities. The triple folding smartphone is equipped with a versatile triple camera system, featuring a 108-megapixel main lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens, allowing for stunning photography in various settings. Special features like night mode and AI enhancements elevate image quality, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp details. The innovative folding design offers unique angles for photography and videography, enabling users to capture creative shots effortlessly. Sample images and videos taken with this smartphone showcase its impressive capabilities, proving it's a powerful tool for both amateur and professional photographers alike. Battery life and charging. The triple folding smartphone is powered by a robust 5,000 mAh battery, offering impressive usage time of up to 24 hours on a single charge, even with heavy multitasking. For added convenience, it supports fast charging, allowing users to recharge up to 70% in just 30 minutes, as well as wireless charging for a cable-free experience. Additionally, the device incorporates energy-saving features like adaptive brightness and app optimization, which help extend battery longevity. This combination of capacity and innovative charging options ensures that users stay connected throughout their busy day. Software and user experience. The triple folding smartphone runs on the latest version of Android, optimized with a custom user interface designed specifically for its unique folding capabilities. This software includes features like split-screen multitasking and app continuity, allowing seamless transitions between different screen configurations. User interface enhancements improve usability, making it easy to navigate whether the device is fully opened or folded. Additionally, the smartphone comes pre-installed with productivity apps and services, such as a note-taking app and cloud storage, adding significant value to the user experience and enhancing overall functionality. Market impact and future trends. The introduction of the triple folding smartphone is poised to significantly influence future designs in the mobile industry, pushing manufacturers to explore more innovative folding mechanisms. Given the growing consumer interest in versatile devices, this smartphone is likely to receive a positive market reception, appealing to tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. As trends shift towards multifunctionality, we can speculate that future innovations in folding technology may include even thinner designs, enhanced durability, and improved battery efficiency, ultimately reshaping how we interact with our mobile devices in the years to come. In summary, the world's first triple folding smartphone showcases groundbreaking design, impressive performance, and significant market potential. Its innovative folding mechanism enhances portability while maintaining a large display, and its powerful specifications ensure seamless multitasking. As we look to the future, this device could redefine mobile technology and inspire new trends. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this smartphone and its potential impact. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and explore our channel for more exciting content on the latest tech innovations.